dive. Exit dive. Oh, nice cutoff, and that was an exit regret. Like two huge signs that says that 531 splits to the right, and you decide to ignore them until the very end. Okay.
Me and travel the world, and not see one Ohio State fucking baseball.
Nice cutoff. Exit dive. There goes some things that you said. No stop! No stop! No stop! Are you gonna no stop as well? Of course. Because no one stops here, even though there's clearly a stop sign, which, yes, this should be a yield sign. I know. But, you know, what are you gonna do? You gotta do what the sign says. I don't make up the fucking rules, so stop yelling at me. Dive for the right turn behind me.
That's all there is to it, because the Yankees don't beat good teams. They don't beat
dive for the right turn.
And they don't do the things that make the difference in these. You can watch the horses train, and it's beautiful. And walk around the town, which is charming. And
no stop.
You got Lake George.
There's just this culture of lying that makes everything you say, anything you say, something I don't want to believe. Even if it is perfectly verified.
No stop.
Right? I think we would be foolish to say, well, who told us that? Oh, God.
Really? I'm gonna get stuck at every single fucking light. Wait! That was red! Toyota turd! Hello? No stop, Scroboro.
They kind of took their teams out of it.
Oh, Hollaback absolutely did.
Yeah, he did.
I mean, not that Ottinger was, you know, I mean...
You're right. No, you're talking... Ottinger played better than Hall.
Red light runs, whole bunch of them.
He played better. He lost. And he had a really bad game 6.
Nice cut off. You cut off that guy crazy. Really, dude? Toyota turd. I mean, you guys are gonna exit here. Of course. Because, what's the point of being in the right lane all along? You had to cut over and cut me off. Screw you. You drive like doo-doo. Ooh, E-I. Nice cut off. Wait. Why? There's no need to merge left right here. Unless you're going to the airport, but that's not for a while. Really? Extra regret.
You get the honors to open the year. And you know what?
Yeah, there's just something about it. You can't quite put your finger on it.
Nope.
All right, well, I'm going to call
Yeah,
it right
big, huge fucking arrow, and you don't understand what it does.
Play the Oakland Raiders. Mayo to fire him. You know, it's just like, didn't he deserve? I thought he deserved more, but whatever. You got to shake it off. Here we go. So we're playing the Raiders, who are always in flux ball.
This cut off.
And, I don't think we have a convincing. I think we win. I think we cover. And I don't know.
Spidey senses tingling. He's gonna want to cut to the right lane because he wants to get on the inner loop and not be stuck going downtown. We like to get around that shit and get home quicker. And you can go now. Ah, nice cutoff as well. Where are you going? You're kind of hovering in the bike lane. You're making my home state look bad by being lost or whatever.
Opens on your shoes. That's what you don't got. And you know, like, yeah, if they could show that, like, faithful Christians
Red light, Ron.
who played basketball better.
You have a red light over there. You notice no one else turning? That's kind of how that works.
Wanting to get to heaven is a whole new angle.
He's old.
Really, dude?
He does have to think about it. Yeah, he's getting the insurance policy in place, lining things up.
Sorry, it's hard.
I don't know what happens when you die.
Kept at a cathedral in Jordan, so the Shroud of Jordan. And since its emergence as a public relic in the 1300s, it's when it really hit the scene hard.
Red light, Ron.
It's been.
No turn on red. Oh well, you get to be in the video. You should have waited 10 seconds for the light to turn green. Oh well, sucks to be you. Diving for the right turn lane up there. People cannot plan for shit. No trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, no trucks in the left lane, no, you cannot be there. If we're in Connecticut, but we are not in Connecticut, we're in Rochester, on I-490. And I was about to say he was going to the airport, but he's moving back over here, so I guess he wasn't. But anyway, it doesn't matter because we're not in a bad place like Connecticut. We're in a semi-decent place called New York State. You're fine. I'm not mad at you. I just have to sing the stupid song at the end of the video. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! All right, I'll see you next time. Okay, bye!